Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making this delicious shrimp stir fry. For this recipe, these are all the ingredients we need. I'm going to put all of them down in the description box below so you can get it whenever you want to do this recipe. And this shrimp is already cleaned, salted, and cooked. So I'm just going to do a little seasoning there. Put about half tablespoon of black pepper, pinch of salt, and some paprika. And I'll go ahead and just stir everything and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Put about 2 tablespoons olive oil into the pan and add your shrimp. Okay, as I said, this shrimp is already cooked, so we're just gonna fry it for about a minute or so just to get that crunchiness. At this point, the under part is already cooked, so I'm gonna turn it over just to make sure the other side is cooked as well. Okay, it's all ready. I will take it out and set it aside. Then I'll clean my frying pan and put again 1 tablespoon olive oil in it and put a generous amount of minced garlic. Okay, stir the garlic and cook it till it's kind of brown. Then you add your onions. And stir it and let it cook for about 25 seconds. Then add your bell peppers and stir it for a little while. If you feel that all the bell peppers are cooked to your satisfaction, go ahead and add some seasoning. That's black pepper, salt, and chicken broth. Then add some soy sauce and your broccoli. Guys, this broccoli is all green and looking beautiful because I already blanched it. If you want me to make a video on how to blanch vegetable, just go ahead and make a comment down below. And yeah, just stir everything together so all the spices mixes. Add your shrimps and this recipe is all done. You just have to mix it and let it cook for about 20 seconds and that is it. You can serve it with rice or just eat it like that. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.